We love Fridays because we get to visit with our friends from Freedom Health, including Dr. Jamie Lanois. It's so good to see you again.
Thank you. It's great to see you.
Remember when you were here last time and we started talking about audiology and I had a million more questions that we couldn't even get to because we didn't have enough time. I'm glad you're back one-on-one because there is, you said before we went on, a huge audiology problem in Springfield?
There is. So there's a big issue with audiology access here in Springfield. Patients have to wait extended periods of time to get in for a hearing evaluation if they have a medical problem or if they just want to seek hearing aids.
So why did you think that is?
There's just a backlog of patients. There's a huge demand for audiology services and not enough audiologists to cover the workload. So at Freedom, we want to give back to the community and we offer complimentary hearing tests, so free of charge. So it's a great time to get your hearing tested. If you need to be referred to an ear, nose, and throat specialist, we can put in that referral for you. If you're seeking hearing devices, we can talk to you about that at that time as well.
I was fascinated last time you were here because I was thinking, you know, I don't know who's at risk for hearing loss or who needs to come and have a hearing test. I assumed, oh, it's just as you get older. But no, it's all ages of people.
Correct. So at Freedom Health, we serve newborns all the way up to any age adults. And so we have a spectrum of services available for patients that need audiology care. Dr.
Lanois, I just have to... Have you seen the videos of the babies?
Yes.
Who hear? We just watched
That's
one yesterday.
Life.
Is that your life?
Yes, yes.
We cry every time we see that baby hear for the first time their mama or their daddy's voice.
Yes.
That's got to feel so amazing to be a part of that.
It is amazing, and it's amazing to bring back hearing to people that want to hear their spouses or their loved ones and just have them be more active in their jobs or in their lives because they can hear.
So what we're going to show right here are different versions of, like, would you call it a hearing aid?
Sure, these are hearing devices. The hearing aids are a bulk of these here. So we have rechargeable devices here, and this is similar to what I wear.
Yes, and I didn't know until last time you told us.
Yes.
You wear a hearing device.
I do, yes.
Wow.
And these hearing aids you can sync to your cell phone or to any Bluetooth device, your TV, your computer.
And you can turn it up or down on your phone.
You can use your phone as a remote controller. Even if we went to a restaurant and it was really noisy, I could turn down the background noise. So there's a lot of flexibility.
See, that's one thing I didn't know about, because you would think you put something in your ear that amplifies sound. How does it detect, you know, the sound that's at the other table versus when I'm talking to you?
Yes, that's a really complicated thing to answer.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No.
I was like fascinated by it.
I mean, a hearing aid is essentially a mini computer, and so the audiologist sets those settings based on not just your hearing loss, but your listening needs and your complaints if you have them. And then you have the flexibility of using your phone to further adjust those settings.
Isn't technology amazing?
It is amazing, yes.
That is so amazing. Okay, and you have some other...
Yes, so we have devices that we can do for custom molds, like if you wanted a custom mold, Jeremy, for your...
My earpiece?
Yes, absolutely.
Which I do need, by the way.
Yes,
can I come by?
Yes, you can, or I could do it on the air for you.
Oh, please do! Would you please come back and do that? Please.
Absolutely. So this is similar to that, and you'd have your tubing coming off of that. This is a custom mold, and you can use that for hearing protection. If you work in a noisy environment or you're mowing the yard, you really need to protect your hearing. So you can pop a filter in that hole to help reduce the background noise.
I'm going to hold that up just because I like the... like, it's colorful and a pattern. I just thought they'd have to be like normal, like flesh toned or black or something, you know.
Get glitter, so we can really jazz it up if you wanted to. These are awesome too. We can fit you with a mold if you're prone to ear infections. If you have ear tubes, you swim a lot, you have outer ear infections, we can help with protecting your ears from water getting into them.
So this would benefit my cousin Landon, who has Down syndrome, has terrible issues with his ears.
Yes.
And with tubes, always. So is this something he should look into?
Yes, absolutely. That helps keep the water out of the ears better than a plug would or a putty would.
Wow, that's fascinating. Now, is this similar to this one over here?
Yeah, that's the same thing here.
Oh, I gotcha.
Yep, and we have fun colors for kids. We have ones that go fully into the ear if you're worried about cosmetics. Although the designs that we have today, you really can't see them at all.
I would never know, because didn't Dr. Bauer, wasn't he wearing one last time?
Yes.
And you have long hair that kind of covers your ears. Dr. Bauer doesn't, and I didn't know he was wearing one. Had no clue.
Yes.
So, okay, so why is it important that somebody maybe sees this and they don't even know they have a hearing problem? Should they get tested anyway just to see, or how does it work?
Sure. You know, we think about vision or dental exams every year. Why not hearing? It's so important, so integral to enhance our quality of life. So even just a baseline hearing test is a wonderful place to start.
Yes. Okay, so you have 2 clinics.
Yes.
Okay, where are they?
We have one in Ozarks, and then we have one in Battlefield, and that's where I work. We have the audiology suite is in Battlefield. We have a full-service clinic there, so just come see me out there. It's easy access to Springfield right off of FF Highway.
Okay, should they call, make an appointment, or can they walk in, or how does that work?
You can do either. If you want to ensure enough time for me to spend with you, because I like to spend about an hour, please call ahead so we can make sure we have time devoted for you. Feel free to walk in, though, as well, and we'll get you on the schedule as soon as possible.
Okay, I'm going to call Dr. Bauer and Miss Kelby, and I'm like, I need a mold for this.
Yes. Call
because
me. I'll fix you up.
I'm calling you. I'm like, come on the show. I want you to come back and do it. Because I think the viewer would be fascinated to see how it works,
Absolutely.
like how it happens.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Tammy.
Dr. Lenoy, thank you so much. I love it so much. Make sure you give them a call and check your hearing. It's so important. Don't go anywhere. So much more fun at Ozarks Fox AM right after this. I've been using this for 6 years without a mold. Can you believe that?
We need to get you taken
I know.
care of.